I want to put on a small fence kind of system here on my drill press, but since I've got the engineer's press that I could have a moving table or table bed, I've decided I'm going to do it slightly different. It's not actually going to be a full-on fence as such.
Let's go and make something.
And this bit here is actually it's like it was cut for it. It's not often you get that. So that's my bottom piece. So I need to cut the next piece the same width as that. About 34. Yeah. And 2 holes. Draw the big one first and just go down to the height of the bolt, and then draw the big one, the smaller one for the shank. So I've got to sink them in just that little bit deeper. So I've got to swing back to the other one. Damn it! I didn't quite open it up. That through, did I? That's right on the edge. Should still work. Makes it easier to get at. COVID. It's just, this part here is just like a stop block. And that, as I said, is right on the yeah, too small. Okay. Stop. block number 1. That's 90. Done. So the wee gap there, the wee gap is for any crap that gets in there. It's got a place to go. You go in there, there you go in there. So the fence is now fully adjustable. Same with the stop block, just by using the handles. I can set it to anywhere I like. That means I can do repeatable cuts. So let's say I wanted all 4 corners to have the same. I can now set it up. Oops. Oh wait. I'm going to set it up to be there. And they will all be exactly the same. So very simple, and if I wanted to do a oversized one that doesn't quite fit in, it's very easily taken off. I can quickly take that off and make something else. Anyway, thanks for watching. I might actually enter this one into the Jig Wars as well. Jig Wars, no, not Jig Wars, Jig something. I'm sure it's Jig Wars. No, it's not Jig Wars. Hang on. Jig 2000. Wood Jig 221? No. Dale has phone. It's Instagram. Yeah. There you go. Wood Jigs 21. Hashtag Wood Jigs 21. One as well. I'm not sure if I'm allowed more than one entry. I'm not worried if I'm not. Anyway, thanks for watching. Kia kaha. We'll catch you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.